Struggling with Arlo app not working? Then try these steps in order for you to fix this issue. Start by heading over to the App Store on a device. In the source bar, search for the application Arlo. Move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then you are not using the updated version of the app. In this case, click on update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version, the next step you want to try doing is move into the settings of a device. Head over to General and then move into iPhone Storage. In this page, you will need to search for the application Arlo, scroll down and then move into it. Once you're in this page, click on Offload App. Now once again click on Offload App. Offloading app will clear all of the cache and the storage of the application. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing in this app. If not, try uninstalling the application and then reinstall it. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.